How did GP shape my journey in the Microsoft business application space?
My journey with Dynamics GP.
And what Dynamics GP means to me.
How Dynamics GP has shaped my journey.
I want to thank Dynamics GP for an incredible career journey.
I've been working with Microsoft Dynamics GP since 1996.
GP has been the foundation of my career for the last 19 years.
25 years in Dynamics GP.
I've been doing it for almost 25 years.
About 20 years.
Was introduced to me during my internship back in '99, right out of school.
Fresh from college.
Started as an intern for a GP bar.
I learned GP through old VHS tapes and printed manuals.
With a bunch of floppy disks.
And back in the day, we did fax machines, and email wasn't the norm.
It all started with working with the nuts and bolts in Great Plains, right? AR, AP, bank rack, integration manager.
What initially sold me on GP was the depth and breadth of the third-party products. You could extend the product to do almost anything.
There's lots of different components inside of GP that you learn to love and know really, really well.
Doing GP upgrade is my favorite part. I love the challenge to make it work in a very limited time.
My real passion lies in reporting.
A lot of ads and magazines and print and all that stuff, and it was just a great experience, a great way for me to build out my marketing expertise.
I've worked with Microsoft VARs and other partners and resellers, solution providers and ISVs.
Well, I've been a user, I've been a partner, I've been an ISV and a VAR.
I've worked for end users, consultants, as a partner, and as an ISV in all these years.
Over the years, I watched Great Plains grow. And alongside it, I've grown my career.
And it's become a core part of my career.
I owe my consulting career pretty much to Dynamics GP.
Because of this amazing product and the incredible support from the Dynamics GP community, I was able to grow, learn, and eventually start my own practice.
My career wouldn't be where it is today without my knowledge of Microsoft Dynamics GP.
The knowledge, skills, and confidence I've gained, the business relationships, friendships, have been invaluable over the years.
A foundation in the Dynamics community.
I realized my GP skills could take me anywhere.
Has since taken me to over 30 countries.
And really what was the power of the user groups was the power of us, being able to share those experiences.
I'm so happy with the connections that I've made and what that's meant for me, for my career, and me personally.
It brings together community.
Find yourself in a place where people are like you and care about the things that you care about.
Because it's not just an ERP when it brings you together at events and over topics and at coffee shops, no matter where you are.
I've built so many relationships with partners and customers over the years. It's been such a great community.
I've made friends with clients, with coworkers.
The GP community is just amazing.
The Dynamics community is amazing because you can meet colleagues or users, and everyone's so willing to share techniques or tips and tricks on how to best use the software.
Everyone was willing to share their knowledge to help each other along.
It brings us together as users and partners and technology providers that support the GP ecosystem.
I've been able to work with so many different folks at conferences, in the training space.
Long-lasting relationships with a group of really talented professionals.
Passionate, relentless, thoughtful, caring, and uplifting people in this community.
It feels complete with the user group community.
I've met some really great people along the way.
It's been a very large community that I'm so proud to be a part of.
Those connections carry on and are a lifetime connection now.
I'm so grateful for the opportunities this platform has given me and the connections I've made along the way.
Great Plains will always be near and dear to my heart.
I love GP and I will always do.
Thanks, GP. Thanks to the great people that made it what it is. And thank you to the GP community.